Yesterday I spotted two trade setups and I'm just going to go through them. So yesterday was CPI as well. CPI where that big wick is, that's where it is. I think it was here. This is the first setup and I went for a buy. It's gone on 1 minute. Alright, so here's. So what I saw was if we go on the 5 minutes, price left this high here. And then what did I see? I had this drawn out here. So this was I'd say a high resistance liquidity trade. So I had this here, so price is rejecting off this fair value gap here. I think as well, I can't remember, but I think dollar was looking for a long as well. So this short, sorry. But yeah, what I saw was it left this buy side liquidity here. So I wanted price to pull lower to push up higher. So price broke lower, pushed there, rejected off here, pushed lower, took out these stops here, and that stop, and then immediately pushed up higher, broke that high, there, left the fair value up here, taps into it, there, gets up here, stops just there, and then target would be, I would say this high first and then that high. So first target could be there, second target there, third target, fourth target. So as that's been taken, there's a little bit of a pullback. We'll see potentially pull back into here. There's also an order block here, so just be aware. Taps into the order block. Taking out second target, could have some pull back, and then smashes through the last target, third target and last target, before then absolutely crushing down lower. So that's the first trade that I found. Second trade was after CPI. So that's CPI, crazy. So leave sell side here. And where is it? So literally. So now I know that. So price is taken buy side here. And then it's pulled lower. And it's heading towards this draw of liquidity here. So I'm just seeing if I can find a break of market structure, a buy side liquidity taken, and then market structure shift. So if we see here, price has just tapped into this fair value gap, not even at the consequent encouragement. So that shows that it's very, very bearish. So here it was here. So as I see there, that's that little short-term high has been taken there. So buy side liquidity basically. And then all of a sudden, so that gets taken, and then all of a sudden a shift in market structure takes out this low. And then I want to wait for the fair value gap to be formed. And I've measured out the consequent encouragement like that there. And if it's bearish, I don't want price to go above here. Or I don't want it to close at least. So if I put a sell limit here, stops can be above there or above there, because I don't want price going up there, and if it goes up there then I know that it's a bit weaker. So I want price to be strong, to just tap into here, don't really get above here, and then go lower, and then to there. So 1 to 3. If you put your sell limit there, that'd been really good. Be a nice 1 to 7. Let's just put it for here for now. So price pushes up. I don't want to see it close above the consequent encouragement. And there, drops lower. And then that'll be me done, because it's taking sell side. And then look what happens there. And then pushes all back up. Yeah, and that was only a couple minutes, but yeah, that's the trade that I spotted. So yeah, find the draw liquidity, then make sure it is in a bearish or bullish run, and then find the buy side or sell side taken, mark structure shift, get in the consequent encouragement, or get in the fair value gap.